In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Clickup with your Outlook calendar. Syncing these two tools can streamline your workflow, helping you manage your tasks and appointments more effectively. Let's dive into the steps to set it up. To begin, you need to access Clickup, which is a comprehensive app designed to enhance work productivity. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. Once you're on the Clickup homepage, you'll be prompted to log in. Start by entering your email address. Make sure you type in the email associated with your Clickup account. If you haven't created a Clickup account yet, you'll need to sign up first, which is a straightforward process that only requires basic information. After entering your email, the next step is to input your password. Ensure that you carefully type it. A simple mistake could prevent you from logging in. ClickUp also provides the option to show your password as you type it, which is helpful if you want to double check what you've entered. Once you've entered both your email and password, click on the Login button. This will grant you access to your ClickUp workspace. After successfully logging in, you'll notice yourself on the homepage of your ClickUp workspace. In ClickUp, your workspace is the hub of your activity, where you manage tasks, projects, and now set up integrations like the Outlook calendar. From this homepage, locate your profile icon, typically found in the upper corner of the interface. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings from this menu to proceed. The Settings section in ClickUp is where you can customize and adjust various elements of your workspace, enhancing how you interact with different features and integrations. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Calendar option. It may be nestled among other settings, so you might need to scroll or scan through the list carefully. Clicking on Calendar will take you to the integration settings, specifically designed for connecting external calendars to your ClickUp account. At this point, you should see an option labeled Outlook Calendar. This is the section where you'll configure the sync settings between ClickUp and your Outlook account. After clicking on Outlook Calendar, an option called Configure will appear. Selecting Configure is your pathway to making these two productivity tools communicate seamlessly. You're almost there. After clicking on Configure, you're presented with a Connect button. This button is crucial as it initiates the process of syncing your ClickUp account with your Outlook calendar. Click on Connect to prompt a new window to open, which will ask you to log into your Outlook account. Make sure you use the credentials for the Outlook calendar you wish to sync. Once you're logged into Outlook, the system may ask for necessary permissions to allow ClickUp to access your calendar. These permissions are essential for ClickUp to read and update your calendar events. Carefully review the permissions and click Allow or Grant Access to continue. This step is vital as it enables ClickUp to pull in your events and to push tasks from ClickUp into your Outlook calendar. With these steps complete, ClickUp and Outlook will begin syncing. You should start seeing your ClickUp tasks appear as events in your Outlook calendar. If you decide that this is not the way you'd like them to display, you can always return to the integration settings and tweak their visibility and the extent to which they're shown. One tip to keep in mind is that syncing can sometimes take a few moments to reflect changes across both platforms, so be patient if your tasks or changes don't appear instantly. Check your calendars to ensure they're syncing correctly, and if you encounter any hiccups, revisit these steps to see if any were missed or improperly executed. You've now successfully synced ClickUp with Outlook Calendar. This integration should help you efficiently manage your time, ensuring you never miss a task or an appointment. Be sure to revisit your settings whenever you want to adjust or add more integrations. Thank you for tuning into this guide. We hope it helps streamline your productivity. Happy syncing!